What's going on? I'm Marina, and today we are making maple sriracha chicken waffles with crispy golden chicken, fluffy waffles, and sweet honey glaze that ties everything together. Come on, let me show you. All right, so first thing that we did is we marinated 4 chicken thighs, boneless, skinless. We marinated it in buttermilk with some salt, pepper, and some garlic, and we left it in for over a night. You could marinate it less than 30 minutes, no less than 30 minutes to give it the really good taste. Now we're going to take it out in some flour and some cornstarch. So these have been marinating for overnight. And we're going to toss them into the flour cornstarch. So you want to get it all. I want to get everything coated. For our waffles, we are going to use a pre-mixed waffle batter. We're going to do one with that. All you have to do is just add water, quick and easy. Add a little bit of water, give that a stir. Found this little mini waffle maker. It's a Christmas one, but we're gonna roll with it. Use any kind you want. We're gonna make little mini ones. Throw the batter in there. Cook up and oh baby, oh man, look at that sauce. We're gonna throw down some syrup, some sriracha. It's so hot, we're gonna put a little bit of lemon juice in there to squeeze. All right, here we go. Cheers. The sweet maple with the sriracha and the crunchy chicken. Oh my gosh, tied everything together. If you're looking for a brunch or just a breakfast, you have to try these. Until next time, keep grilling and let's go!